Waheshimiwa, because of time na the tight schedule ya president, tasema tu jina agile chamge bas ngele kako ngala Alberto on our behalf. Karibu na senior all the way from Mainab kwa Mheshimiwa Chepkonga, karibu.
Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, Your Excellency, the First Lady, Mama Rachel, all protocols observed. Bwana asifiwe, chamge, habari zenu. Your Excellency, there's a problem in this country. You know, the judiciary, for an explained reason, is seeking to intervene on policy making when they are supposed to interpret the law. You know, Your Excellency, you know, you promised in your manifesto, which we supported, all of us, and you said you are going to start affordable housing, social health security insurance fund, and that we voted for it and you won the election. The judiciary is expected to interpret the law. Although the two of them start with I, they are mistaken that the other one, they should not intervene on policy making. Your Excellency, what we have seen in this country is what we call judicial adventurism. People who are gone beyond the reach of what they are supposed to do. We want to ask our judiciary, with a lot of respect. You know, when we criticize them, they think we are interfering with their work. We are not interfering with their work. In fact, some people who are members of parliament like ourselves, we defeat them in parliament, and then they rush to court. I mean, they should accept the will of the people, that they have been defeated, and they should not go to court. There's another one who is a pretender, who pretends that he litigates for the public. He doesn't litigate for the public. That is personal litigation driven by personal interest, Your Excellency. And we will not accept. We normally defeat him in parliament. All the legislations he brings, which are very personal, which are driven by money, we have always defeated them. So he's rushed to court, but we want to tell him we will also defeat him there. So we stand with you, Your Excellency. You don't even need to talk about some of these things. Leave it to some of us. This is tutapiga teke na watanguka nayo. I thank you, Your Excellency. God bless you.